and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court to reopen on July 3rd with new procedure for listing and mentioning fresh cases before CJI. Duty of state government to find out illegal wealth accumulated by its employees, says Allahabad High Court. Jharkhand High Court institutes suo moto PIL in matter of attempting to grab land of late SC judge. Bombay, Delhi and Calcutta High Court expressed displeasure over last-moment pleas over animal slaughter on Bakrid 2023. Now let's take a detailed look at the headlines. The Supreme Court is set to reopen on July 3rd after the summer vacation. And with the reopening, it will witness a new process for listing and mentioning of fresh cases before the Chief Justice of India. All fresh miscellaneous matters which are verified by Tuesday will automatically be listed on the coming Monday, while the cases verified after Tuesday will be listed for the Friday of the next week. For having a case listed for the next day, advocates need to submit their mentioning pro formas by 3 p.m. and those seeking to list the cases on the same day, a letter of urgency along with the pro formas has to be submitted to the mentioning officer by 10:30 a.m. The Supreme Court had in 2019 introduced a system for automated listing. The top court, however, is often said to be opaque in its mentioning procedure, as the CJI, being the master of the roster, has complete discretion with regards to the listing and can list certain cases on priority. Justice Dinesh Kumar Singh of the Allahabad High Court, while dismissing the petition filed by the Joint Director of Education Ayodhya Division, Arvind Kumar Pandey, who moved the High Court challenging his suspension order by the state government on charges of corruption. The order was issued in April this year after the state government suspended Pandey for illegally regularizing the services of 122 teachers in collusion with management committees of several colleges across Uttar Pradesh. The bench observed that commercialization of education has eroded its very value. As a result, there are education and cheating mafias in the system, and that it is the responsibility of the state and the society to clean the education system. A division bench of the Jharkhand High Court comprising Justices S. Chandrasekhar and Ratnakar Bhengra instituted a suo moto public interest litigation based on newspaper reports about the alleged attempt to grab the land of late Supreme Court Judge Justice M.Y. Iqbal. The High Court ordered an investigation in the matter and issued notices to the State Chief Secretary, Home Secretary and Ranchi Senior Superintendent of Police, along with the officer in charge of the Lower Bazaar Police Station, in whose jurisdiction the land falls. According to media reports, encroachment was made upon the land belonging to the late judge, and a portion of the boundary wall was demolished on June 25th. In order to grab the land. The High Court expressed strong discontent on rising incidents of grabbing of land by the land mafia in the state. The High Courts of Bombay, Delhi and Calcutta expressed displeasure on pleas filed at the last moment over animal slaughter on Bakrid 2023, which is celebrated by the Muslim community today. The Bombay High Court Division Bench of Justices G. S. Patel and Neela Gokhale heard an application by residents of the Vishalgarh Fort, seeking permission to slaughter animals inside the fort premises. The court said that such applications are repeatedly made at the last minute, while Bakrid has been on the calendar for better part of the year. On the other hand, the vacation bench of the Delhi High Court heard a petition seeking that no animals be sacrificed outside licensed slaughterhouses on Bakrid. The bench comprising Justices C. Harishankar and Manoj Jain said the petitioner had enough time to approach the court, but chose to came to court a day before the festival. And the Calcutta High Court bench led by Chief Justice T. S. Sivagnanam remarked on a petition seeking no cow slaughter on Eid, that you could have come at least 15-20 days before the festival. Now we can't do anything, so please don't expect an order. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.